So I'm out here at a job today in Yowie Bay for a customer who's with Aussie Broadband. They're on fibre to the curb. Now, basically he's getting dropouts. It's like an intermittent type of thing. They did have some lightning action here and fried a few things, but the internet started playing up after that. So Aussie Broadband gave him a new router and basically said, look, it's a problem with your cabling, why it's dropping out. So I'm out here today to try and work out what's going on. So I was here a few years ago and I put in a brand new leading cable, which goes out to that pole there, and there's a continuous run. And so that cable is fine. That's this here. But this cable here is his internal cables. Now I've got my lines test set number 2 connected to it. And if we come down here, and you can see I'm switching over to mega ohms, and there's no fluctuations at all. So that's going through his cabling to his socket down in his office. Now I'll just show you if I take that off there and I put a short on this. Just give me a second. Right, so I've put a short circuit on that, and you can see there we've got a short on that. So that is working fine on the actual tester. Okay. So yeah, so they've given him a new router, and everything seems to be okay on his side here. So it might be a problem out in the street somewhere, but yeah, it's definitely not within his internal cabling.